Eisbär always focuses on developments of machines which are very low in energy consumption, for example, which is also part of sustainability. So also we try to make them as simple as possible so that it's easy to maintenance them, and also the longevity is very long. So we have a lot of machines out there which are lasting for more than 30 years. And also very small amount of spare parts. So yeah, to guarantee that you make an investment and that you can yeah, have a good production and a fast production as well.
Hi, I'm Kashish Talreja from Modern Plastics TV, and today with us we have Stefanie from Eisbär. Welcome, Stefanie.
Hi, welcome. It's a pleasure.
How are you doing? What's up?
I'm pretty good. It's excited to be in India. The Plast India is a very big show. I think it's in the top 3 worldwide. So it's yeah, it's good to be here.
This is your first time?
It's my first time because for my company Eisbär, I just took over India as a market. So first time for me was in November. So I attended Drink Deck and the PRS. And now second time here in Delhi for Plast India. And in between I did some customer visits. But yeah, that's it so far.
So, how has been your collaboration with India?
Very good. I mean, we work very close with our representative. So he helps us to find the right customers. He's also in touch with them because, yeah, we need someone to be with the customer from time to time. And he also supports us for installations and services so that we can, yeah, provide a good service for the companies here in India.
Can you tell us about your company, your flagship products?
So Eisbär is the company's name. It means polar bear in English, actually. So we were founded 100 years ago. And in the beginning, we did refrigerators. That's where the name comes from. We are in Austria, located next to Switzerland and Germany. And we manufacture solutions for mold humidification, material drying, cooling, and also special solutions for recycling lines.
On that, what's your take on sustainability?
So it's two things. So on the one hand, the recycling solutions are important that you are able to recycle different materials like PT or HDPE. So we do dealdehydzation, we do crystallizing, and also take odorization out of materials. And on the other hand, it's Eisbär always focuses on developments of machines which are very low in energy consumption, for example, which is also part of sustainability. So also we try to make them as simple as possible so that it's easy to maintenance them, and also the longevity is very long. So we have a lot of machines out there which are lasting for more than 30 years. And also very small amount of spare parts. So yeah, to guarantee that you make an investment and that you can yeah, have a good production and a fast production as well.
That was really insightful. You have collaborated, you are already doing business with other countries, and how do you think India is different and better, or like any scope for improvement?
I think the industry is already pretty big in India, and there's a lot going on. I think like all together, as you see, the Plast India, it's a very international conference, and I think we can. It's good for everyone to exchange ideas, to exchange innovations, and I think in India it's also recycling is pretty big. I mean, we heard Manfred Hohmeister from Arema before,
Yes.
and he told us that they have so many machinery here in India. So it's recycling is a big topic, and I think
Yeah.
yeah, it's growing very fast, which is a good sign for everybody.
What are your thoughts on the new free trade agreement between India and European Union?
I think most of the parts are good, but yeah, let's see how it is when it works. But I think it's yeah, it's enhancing the cooperation between the countries.
What will be your advice to young entrepreneurs who are just entering the market?
I think it's always important to be curious, to want to learn, to listen, to talk, to meet a lot of people. I think the industry is somehow it's very big, but somehow it's also small. So you meet a lot of people all the time wherever you are, and I think international exchange is really important, so we can learn from each other.
Do you want to say anything to Modern Plastics TV, Plast India? It's our 26th anniversary.
Yes, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a very cool sign to have this magazine. I mean, I read it from time to time, and it's famous. It's a wonderful work you do, and thank you for the opportunity that you invite here everybody and that we can talk to you.
No, it's really an honor. It's always nice to meet people globally and connect with them, and I think it's really fruitful for us and for them. So thank you so much again for coming to Modern Plastics India and TV. We'll see you very soon next year.
Same for me. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, Stephanie.